Today we're replacing a power supply on this HP DeskJet 2827e series. This particular one is 2827e, which is similar to a lot of the other 2800e series printers. What we're going to use is this Torx size 10 screwdriver tip. It's a star-shaped. The power supply is located in the back over here where you plug in your power supply cord. And we need to remove this cover. So let's go ahead and unplug it, of course. The screws are located here on the bottom. Now you can just slide this cover off, and that's where your power supply is. You can go ahead and disconnect it right over here. And you can check it. I get asked a lot how to check this using some device. I really don't have a device that I check with. If I get a power supply that's out, I usually just plug it into the printer and put the cord over here and see if this lights up. So if you think your power supply is out, first thing you definitely want to check is make sure that the plug you're using is live, and change the cord. See if maybe that's a bad cord or something like that. Change the plug, and then you can see it's super easy to replace the power supply on this. There are a lot of them available as replacements on eBay. There are going to be a lot of sellers who sell these as of 2026. And since these printers are not too old, I assume for the next 10 years you should be able to find a replacement power supply. So to put the new one back in, you can see the port over here, the shape of it. You just follow that and connect it like so, and place it over here. You can also make sure the wire is kind of in this groove right here. So it just sits there and this cover holds it. So just slide the cover in like that and then push it to the right. Also make sure it is in that groove over here. Oops. And here. So first you want to go in this area, then pop it in here like so, and you're good to put the screws back in. All you need is a T10 screwdriver. You can get a screwdriver alone or a set on Amazon and stuff if you don't have one. So that's how you replace the power supply unit on HP DeskJet 2827e series printers. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and have yourself a great day.